When you want to create something amazing, you may encounter some difficulties. Like this. This. Leveling is annoying, isn't it? Come and take a look at it. Using HALOT-X1, say goodbye to the frustration of leveling.
No leveling. Really?
Yes, all you need to do is place it in. Don't doubt it. Click on it. Come on, witness the miracle together. Layered Terminator. Successfully completed mission. You can always harvest top-notch printed products. No, stop, wait. That's old news. Now twist, snap, boom, shining debut. I think he will definitely like this gift. When headlines are looming, HALOT-X1, it will become your powerful support.
So easy.
Let's talk about its smart design. You don't have to constantly pay attention to it. It knows what you need and optimizes your prints like a true pro. "16K resolution? Check. Energy-saving tech? Absolutely. Get ready to be amazed. Removing prints has never been this fun, right?
Yeah.
Just one twist and the model pops right off. Whether for work or creativity, HALOT-X1 has you covered. Unlock your creativity effortlessly. This is the magic from HALOT-X1.